Hello, my crypto curious. Did you know that over 19 million people in India and over 100 million people in worldwide already use cryptocurrency? Or that the metaverse is projected to be $1 trillion industry by 2030? 25 times larger than combined industry size of the entire social media. Well, the future of technology is already here and it's changing the world as we know it. Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that I believe is going to change the world. Well, you might have heard cryptocurrency, blockchain, web3, NFTs and the metaverse. But do you really understand what they mean and why they're important? I know it's not that easy. There's lot of technical jargons and complex concepts involved. But trust me, it's worth taking the time to learn about these technologies. You see, these technologies are not just about making money or investing in this next big thing. They're about creating a new internet, a way of interacting with each other, and a new way of experiencing the world. Well, let's start with blockchain. At its core, blockchain is decentralized. It's a digital ledger that records transaction across a network of computers. It's secure, transparent, tamper-proof, but, what does it mean for you and me? Well, for one, it means that we can trust online transactions without needing intermediaries like bank or governments. It means that we can own digital assets like an art or music and prove that they are ours. And it means that we can create new kind of businesses and organizations that are more fair, more transparent and more accountable. I think it's going to be a bit tricky, so let me explain you within a very easy example. Imagine you have a notebook that you share with your friends. In this notebook, you write down all the trades that you have with each other, like I gave Rohan 5 pencils for 3 pens. This notebook is like a record book where everyone can see what's been traded. Now imagine this notebook is digital and not just shared with your friends but with thousands of people all over the world. And this digital notebook is called blockchain. So, how does it work? Well, imagine each trade or transaction is like a block. When new block is added and it's linked to the previous block, it creates a chain, and that is why it's called a blockchain. But here's a really cool part. Once a block is added to the chain, it can't be changed. It is like a digital log that keeps everything safe and secure. And the best part, the digital ledger is maintained by thousands of people all over the world, working together to make sure everything is accurate and secure. Now let's talk about one amazing thing, which is something I'm really curious about, which is Web3. Web3 is the next generation of the internet, built on blockchain and other decentralized technologies. It's an internet that's more secure, more private, and more community driven. Let me explain you with a simple example. You know how we use the internet to play games, watch videos, and talk to other friends? Well, the internet has gone through a very big changes over the years. First, there was Web 1, or we can say Web 1.0, which was like a big library where people could just read the information. Then there was Web 2 or 2.0, which was like a big playground where people could interact with each other and share stuffs. Now Web 3 is the next revolution of the internet, designed to give users more power, privacy and ownership. So unlike the current internet, which is Web 2, where big companies like Google, Facebook and Amazon control your data, most of the data and our online experiences, Web 3 is built on a blockchain technology. This means everything is going to be decentralized. No single entity has control, right? And it's like a user-driven market where you're not just a consumer, but you're an active participant. I explain more about this on my other videos as well. And then there's next big thing, which is NFTs, or what we call it as non-fungible tokens. So NFTs are unique digital asset that can represent art, music, collectibles, or even experiences. They're like digital ownership certificates. They are changing the way we think about creativity, ownership, and value. So let me explain you with a simple example because at times things look more tricky, right? Imagine you're an artist and you create a beautiful digital painting. You can turn that painting into an NFT, which means that you can prove that you created it, and that is that like it's one of a kind, right? And just like how people buy and own physical art, people can buy and own the NFTs too. They can even sell them or trade them with others. NFTs are also changing the way we experience art and collectibles. Imagine being able to walk into a virtual gallery where you can see and interact with all sort of amazing digital art. Isn't it amazing, right? Finally, there's a metaverse. The metaverse is a virtual world that's being built on the top of the blockchain and other decentralized technologies. It's a world that's immersive, that's interactive, that's interconnected, and it's going to change the way we experience entertainment, education, community, or other thing else. So let me again explain you with a simple example that I've understood. Imagine you're playing with your favorite video game, but instead of just playing, you're actually inside the game. Isn't it cool, huh? You can walk around, talk to other players, and even build your own world. And that's kind of arrangement is what we call as a metaverse. The metaverse is like a big virtual world that is shared by everyone who's connected to it. You can create your own avatar, right, in metaverse, which is like a digital version of yourself, and explore all sort of amazing virtual environments. I'm not sure if you've heard, like, seen something visually or not, but you can see it in the editings that I've done at the back. Now, you might also be wondering how we'll access the metaverse. Well, it's likely that we use those special headsets or devices that allow us to see and interact in the virtual world. So, why do you need to understand these technologies? Well, they are going to change the way we live. They're going to change the way we work and interact with each other. They are going to create a new opportunities for creators, entrepreneurs, and innovators like you and us. And they are going to give us more control over the digital lives and identities. But more than that, understanding these technologies is going to give you a sense of agency and empowerment in a world that is very rapidly changing. It's going to allow to participate in the conversation and decisions that are shaping the collective future. It's not going to be easy, I understand. It might look something which is a bit tricky, but understand that it's all going to be worth it. So if you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of blockchain, cryptos, NFTs and all that, and all these amazing tech, be sure you do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Crypto Unboxed.